Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, and let's look at Yelp today. Look, I put this stock on our active trade list a couple bucks ago, and I just kind of want to explain why. Because, first let me get rid of this. This was just an explanation box, so to speak. I like the fact that this stock was trading in a fairly tight volatility squeeze, not super tight. I measure these by the Bollinger Bands. They just kind of need to be narrow. But I like the fact that the stock was resting right on the 50-day moving average, which was flat. Okay, so a flat 50-day moving average means, unless it's some kind of twist of mathematical logic, a 50-day moving average that's flat means that the stock's been trading sideways for quite some time. And so a flat 50-day moving average kind of takes care of a lot of the of the logic or of the mental analysis that you'd need to do to figure out if this is a good trade. So when I see a stock that's squeezing near the 50-day moving average, that really gets my attention. That's all. I don't just say buy it, but no, it really gets my attention. And then here I've got the 100-day moving average, where it'd been just kind of sandwiched between the 100 and the 50. And so I was looking at this stock yesterday, set my alert at 40 bucks, which it triggered this morning. And lo and behold, the stock was strong all day. I don't think it's too late to buy this stock. Okay, we got heavy volume for Yelp, much heavier than average. But the thing with these volatility squeezes is they explode. Like they just explode off the bat. Boom. Once they get going, they really run. And so as I look at this stock, I think, you can laugh and say, well, that's not much. I look at 45 bucks as in the bag, and that's 6.5%. Doesn't seem like a lot, but we don't know. And I could say, oh, well, it's going to get to 50 or it's going to get to, I don't know. You don't know. Nobody knows except the liars and the fools. All I'm doing is looking here and saying, you know what? I think this has another couple, 2, 3, 4 days in it. Don't expect this just to run up in a straight line. It would be nice if it did. But a lot of times on these types of things, you'll see something that pulls back like this and then maybe, runs up. So don't expect this just to go in a straight line, but I think today's breakout above 40 was a really important, development. And when so many stocks are really kind of choppy now, this one to me looks pretty clear. And I say that acknowledging that when something looks really clear in the market, you're probably seeing it exactly wrong. But here I see this breakout and I think it can continue. So, all right, that's all I got for you. I'll see you next time.